Hey guys, what's going on? Imediversity here. So I'm back, finally make a new video for you guys. Today is my time to do a unboxing a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge in 2022. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So here's the bag. I bought on the Pro Mobile, same as my previous iPhone 7 but different outlet. So let's see what's inside. Oh, a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. So here's the phone. Gold color, original Malaysian set. Without any problem. Still in good condition. Wow, finally I got this phone after 6 years of the launch of this phone. So let's put it away. What else? Oh, we have a charging adapter which is not original, but it says here super fast charging, a normal USB cable, and Samsung logo should not be here, the original shouldn't be at here. And below you can see it has a fake safety mark. It copies from the original one, and when you do like this it feels very empty inside. What else? A charger cable. This is the normal USB to the micro USB. What else? Oh, the last one is the card. Customer service. You can read it here. Pro Mobile, make friend before make deal. Alright. Alright, so here's the phone. Let's take a look at the phone. So quite dirty. All of these are my fingers. So it has some scratch on the home button, which is normal for the 6-year-old Samsung phone. And while others are very good shape and good condition. The side is still in very clean. It's like brand new. Also at the back, when I clean it, it is really clean and shine. Wow, really appreciate it. So I'm going to install the new case and set up the phone. Alright, so the phone already been set up by me, and also the case has been installed with green color, very nice. Now let's check out the UI. This is the lock screen. This is the home screen. Wow, very nice. Now let me show you the version on this phone. Let's go to settings, slide it down, about phone, software information. As you can see that it runs Android 8.0.0 Oreo with Samsung Experience version 9.0, which is the last ever version for the Samsung Experience, and before begin to the One UI version. Press multiple times on the Android, you get these Oreo icons. Press and hold. Try again. You will get this game. Wow, very cute. So here's the phone. I'm so happy. Finally I got this phone after 6 years. And so, before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge in 2022 in the comment below. And before I end the video, let me show you the compare with my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This is my second phone with Edge screen. Wow. And also compare with a same Edge, a flagship from Apple iPhone 7, which is same release 2016. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day. Hope you like it.